guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a very interesting day. We've got which one is going to be coming first, the Solana ETF or the XRP ETF. Let me know in the comments below which one you think is actually going to be approved first. I'm curious to see what my community thinks about that one. Also, meme coins are pumping at the moment. We have also Ethereum ETFs being trading or commencing trading tonight in the UK, which is awesome. Mt. Gox, and this is the reason why you're seeing the market go down today, but moves $840 million worth of Bitcoin. Chainlink as well, interestingly, is doing quite well, and I'm extremely bullish on Chainlink. And also Grayscale spotty Ethereum ETFs predicted to see some significant outflows, which again, I mentioned to everyone that I suspect that was going to happen, which it will, because I believe it was about $7.4 billion, which they're currently holding in Ethereum, which is crazy. Also, just a quick update as well, my trading bots with 3 commas now, I've set them up on Gate.io, and it's exactly the same as OKX. So those of you who were remotely interested in that, yes, all that stuff happened with OKX. They still are an official partner of the channel. I'm still trading on the spot market with them. However, I did try this out yesterday with Gate.io, and it is literally the same as OKX. So the bots are running perfectly and they're in profit. I'm going to show you guys that as well, because again, we're at the very early stages of an insane bull market. And if, we're going where we're going, which I honestly believe we will, things are going to be parabolic with these trading bots. Anyway, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen. Do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. All right, formalities are out of the way. And going straight to community tab today, top altcoins in my portfolio, we have CKB, Veracity, which I think is incredibly bullish. XPR Proton, interesting project, and I think it's incredibly undervalued at the moment. And it's like sending cryptos across. Instead of using your wallet address, you literally use the username. Very, very cool stuff, like PayPal, right? XVG and Rose, some nice coins right there. And yes, we did have 42,000 Bitcoin moved by Mt. Gox. We knew this was coming, and what can you do about it? You can't do anything about it. You just have to sit it out and just let it do its thing. But that is a lot of Bitcoin, 42,000 on the move. Anyway, let's go to CoinMarketCap today, and let's go here. We've got 2.55 trillion. Gonna have a sip of the espresso. Almost knocked over my recording gear here. But anyway, so 2.55 trillion, $91 billion in volume. It's actually up, which is nice. A Bitcoin dominance sitting at 52.4, and the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 65 today. Bitcoin's currently trading at $68,254. It did pump above 70K earlier this afternoon here anyway, and it's the 28th of May. Which is crazy. This year's already flying. Ethereum's at 3,880. We have BNB at $600. Solana's trading at $167 USD, which is nice, up 1.4%. And XRP still at 52 cents, insanely undervalued. Cardano's at 45 cents. Chainlink, 5.64%. We're going to get into the reason why that's pumping today, $18, which is really nice as well. There is a new meme coin with Pepe, by the way. I'm not going to say it on the channel because I'll probably get banned, but yeah, anyway, go look it up. It pumped 14,000% overnight. Ridiculous. Anyway, moving on. Let's get to the news and all the juicy stuff, but I do have the Wall Street Bull University links below. This is where I put up all my buy, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots with 3 commas, the full setups now, and also my dividend investing, which again, I do every single week. So that's all in there. The community's awesome. You guys absolutely rock. Thank you to all of you that have subscribed to this. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, Go join up. Link is below. And there is a free membership to this. And of course, if you want access to all my trading bots, it's like $5 a month. And obviously now I've just set up this stuff with Gate.io. I'm already making well and truly well over that. So I'm just going to show you that in a second. But anyway, that is all linked below. Go join up. It's $8.50 Australian a month. It's nothing. All right, let's have a look at 3Commas. Okay. Now, I've got a few bots set up here. Now, I was trading on Bybit and using the trading software because, again, to trade the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's just, I mean, look, you need a lot of time to do that, right? We just don't have the freaking time, and I want to be able to trade the markets. So, yes, 3Commas I've been using now for like basically 3 years, and it's been incredible, right? We did have the issue on OKX where they basically shut the derivatives trading down. That's because they opened an office here in Australia. And, of course, if you do that, you're going to have to abide by the Australian law. So that got shut down. However, I'm still spot trading on OKX. I was using Bybit, and yeah, I mean, they're a great exchange. Nothing wrong with that. You can still trade derivatives. However, Gate.io, I literally thought to myself yesterday, I'll give Gate.io a basically a shot, right? Yesterday, I spent a few hours setting up the account, getting all the bots set up. By the way, they're all linked in the Wall Street Bull University down below. And I set everything up, and it was straightforward like OKX was. So it's pretty much the same thing. Now, I just want to point out that the bots on OKX, when the market was going good like it's currently doing at the moment, I kid you not, people were making ridiculous amounts between, 500, 400, 600, 800 to 1,000 plus a day using the trading bots. And that obviously required a significant amount of capital. So I just want to make everyone aware of that. But there were risks associated with that. Liquidations occurred because of, again, Grayscale selling a lot of Bitcoin and crashing the market multiple times. Flash crashes happened. This is what happened. So again, I've got 2 bots set up trading all the perpetual contracts on Gate.io, right? Both long and short. So I'm making money on both ways the market is moving. And I'm also trading the spot market still. I'm just going to leave these and just do their thing in a long position on OKX because you can still trade the spot market. Now, leverage trading is risky. I don't recommend it if you're an emotional trader. The spot trading bots are still great. Mine are ticking over, making profit. I just set and forget them because it's not trading with leverage, right? And the market, the way I've got these bots set up, the market would have to drop 60%. That has never happened. It will drop maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10%, but not 60% because that would just completely destroy crypto, right? So the long bots, which again are all linked in the Wall Street Bull University, these ones literally set up yesterday. They're already making profit, which is great, right? So I just set these up to basically trade the markets 24 hours a day. Let's have a look here. I'm trading 168 altcoins in both the long and short multi-bots, which is freaking awesome. These are all the coins. Look at this. Absolutely wild. Again, there's a lot to trade here. I've only got 15 USDT per base order, which is nice as well, and with 15x leverage. And I do not recommend trading with leverage because, yes, you can get liquidated, all right? But I think the market's starting to stabilize. However, we'll get into the news in a second. But I'm just going to go to Gate.io, and let's just go here. So this is my actual trading account. I'm currently up $58 today. And there is nothing wrong with that. Just getting my calculator right now, right? I mean, I will be putting in more capital into this. But you can see the bots are just filling out right there. But 58 multiplied by 7 days. That's an extra $400 a week. I'm not complaining about that, right? So again, I'm just going to let these do their thing. They're making incredible gains. And we'll see how it goes. So I'm already up 7% today. So that's $58 today, which is really, really cool. So let's see where this goes. Again, be careful with the leverage. Don't go too crazy. The referral links below for 3Commas are there in the description. And, of course, the referral link for Gate.io. Go check it out. Absolutely wild. And I'm happy that we're finally back. Now, let's get to the news. Let's just go on the day for the top altcoins. NOT, Notcoin. I saw this pumping. I did set up and put this into the trading bot. So I'm trading this. It's up 51% today, 75% this week. Ridiculous. I'm just trading it. I'm not holding it, by the way. Chiliz as well, up 10%. Really, really cool to see that. And Tia Coin, or Celestia, I should say, that's up 11%, which is nice as well. And that is pretty much it. The meme coins are pumping. I mean, we've got Floki up 10% today. We have Whiff, ridiculous name, that's up 11% as well. Bonk is insane, 7,900% in a year. It's up 4.7%. It's still up 60% this month. Ridiculous, right? Now, I want to get to the news. I'm going to have a sip of water because I'm curious to know what my community thinks about this one. Which one's going to be approved first, the Solana or the Ripple ETF? My Frank Green bottle. Legend. All right, let's get into this, all right? Because I think both of them will be approved eventually. It's inevitable, right? But the US SEC has approved 2 types of crypto ETFs, exchange-traded funds this year. The financial watchdog approved the spot Bitcoin ETFs and, of course, the Ethereum ETFs, which will begin trading tonight in the UK. And I'm basically sure in the next couple of weeks we'll see it trading on Wall Street, right? Which is crazy. Development open discussions on which crypto will receive the ETF next. Solana or Ripple's XRP or something else. It'll be XRP for sure because it's not a security. But Gary Gensler's an absolute idiot, so who knows where we're going to go. But while speaking to CNBC, BKCM founder Brian Kelly said that Solana could be the next crypto to receive the ETF approval, and Kelly called Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana the big 3 of this cycle. Raoul Pal's been speaking about Solana for so freaking long, and so have I. Can't wait. I'm holding on to those. And Bloomberg analyst James Seifert agreed with Kelly. Seifert believes a Solana ETF will have more demand than other digital assets apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Seifert said that the financial innovation tech for the 21st century will, obviously the bill, will speed up a Solana ETF launch as well. Furthermore, Seifert believes Solana ETF will debut after a few years of a CFTC-regulated futures market. So let's see where this goes. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Meme coins dominate the crypto open interest charts, taking 4 out of the top 10 spots. I only trade these, right? But we have, of course, Pepe, Dogecoin, Bonk, Whiff. Pepe is still doing incredibly well, and I am trading that. So let's see where this goes. And let me know in the comments below if you're buying these or not, because I'm not. I mean, look, I do hold Doge, Shiba Inu, and I believe PIT. They're the only meme coins that I hold. I only trade the other ones, all right? Just making that clear. Yes, we have in the UK today Ethereum ETFs to start trading, which is going to be nice as well. Financial regulator, Financial Conduct Authority, has taken a significant step towards aligning with the UK with other financial centres in the field of digital assets by approving the first crypto ETPs. WisdomTree, a leading asset management firm, has announced that it has received approval from the FCA to list a pair of hardback crypto ETPs tracking Bitcoin and Ethereum on the London Stock Exchange, and these products could begin trading as early as today, the 28th. That is bullish. We do have Mt. Gox moving a shitload of Bitcoin today, $840 million, which is crazy. But they transferred 12,250 Bitcoin valued at approximately $840 million to a new wallet over the past hour. And according to the data from Acrim Intelligence following the transfer, Bitcoin's price experienced a minor dip. Yes, it did. But this is going to be crazy. But the latest movement comes ahead of the repayment deadline set for October 31st this year. Mt. Gox plans to repay its creditors 142,000 Bitcoin, 143,000 BCH, and 69 billion Japanese yen, which basically is crashed, right? There is still substantial balance worth approximately $9.5 billion at the present time in the wallet. That is crazy, that amount of money. We do have Chainlink booming amid Swift payments update, Ethereum ETF rush, which is crazy. And the 14th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, Link, on Monday's best performer out the top 40 altcoins. And Link is a native token of Chainlink, an Oracle project built on the Ethereum that is designed to get information in and out of the blockchain between chains securely. And every day I do this, and my cleaner's here, but he's a legend, so I'm going to let him go. The surge is likely the result of Link holders and supporters feeling bullish on the news dropping that Chainlink would be co-presenting with the international payments platform Swift at this week's Consensus Conference in Austin, Texas. That is bullish right there. And again, banking coins, right? Quickly onto this one as well, but Grayscale Spot Ether ETF projected to see a daily outflow of $110 million. This is going to be freaking bad, right? Grayscale's Ether Trust currently has assets under management $11 billion, not 7.4 from the other day. If it experiences similar outflows as GBTC or Bitcoin Trust, it could result in an average daily outflow of $110 million, representing a 30% of Ether's daily trading volume on Coinbase, which is going to be painful. And if this happens, I suspect it will. I just got a bad feeling it's going to happen. We're going to see a drop in the market. But following the Securities and Exchange Commission's approval on the spot Ether ETFs on May 23rd, ETH's discount has already started to narrow. However, the ETF has yet to commence trading as a spot ETF. And again, this concluded that even the initial inflows into Ether ETFs disappoint in the short term. The approval itself has significant implications for Ether as an asset, removing some of the regulatory uncertainties. So it has its positives and its negatives. We know for a fact they're going to sell off a lot of Ethereum. Cryptometer.io, let's have a look at this. I'm going to get this video going. Got money going into Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course. We have Polkadot, Render. We have Apex. We have Whiff, Dog Whiff, Hat, crazy name, Floki, and API3 as well, which I am trading with the bots. Quick look at X, and we'll get ended up on here. But thank you to those 6,462 people. You absolutely rock. Let's go down here. Thomas, thank you for this tweet. ETFs bought 27,000 Bitcoin this month, $2 billion. Second wave is here. I agree. Cointelegraph, Ethereum balance on exchanges decreased to a 6-year low, signaling an increased investor confidence. That's a lot. Michael Saylor, 32 Bitcoin spot ETFs now hold 1 Nakamoto of Bitcoin. Let's just go in here and have a quick look at this. 1 Nakamoto right here. That is a lot. That is a lot of money right there. Anyway, it's just going to continue to build. Continue more than ever. And again, ETPs will start trading on London Stock Exchange today. Bring it on. Breaking, thank you, Jack, for this one as well. The beginning of May 28th, which is today, the new standard for settlement will become next business day after trade, or T1. XRP has been successfully tested for cross-border settlements. Bring it on. David Schwartz, have a quick listen to this video, Bulls.
Interoperability is going to be it's going to be what allows us to have customers. It's going to allow us to have an audience that we can market products to.
So our goal is to make XRPL one of the primary hubs for issuing and trading real world assets, starting with stable coins and moving into tokenized treasuries as well. And so I think that you guys really have the reputation that's needed in order to bring on some of these TradFi institutions into the space.
Our vision is that we can make XRPL.
The XRP ledger is going to be huge. And this is hilarious, but Bitcoin fans are psychopaths who don't care about anyone. Study shows. What do you think about that? Let me know in the live chat, in the comments below, guys. It'd be hilarious. Anyway, quick look at this as well. We have the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 72, and yes, Mt. Gox is selling off and getting ready to get that Bitcoin back to its creditors, which is not going to be pretty. But anyway, guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you very much. Join the Wall Street Bull University. Go use these bots. Just quick look at them now. Just ending the video, see where we're at the moment. Currently making 59. There you go, $59.73 today. And just basically trading the market. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Go join up. Link is below. All right, guys. All the links are there today. It took me a long time to put them together. And I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right, stay safe. Make sure you have a good night, good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have a double shot espresso. All right, Bulls. Peace out. Take care. Bye.